Well, we're on a journey, one of our last.
Well, we're going to Hillbilly Road, y'all.
I don't sound that hick. Did I sound that hick?
No.
What are we doing?
So we're on our way to Goblin Valley tonight. We're gonna stay there tonight and tomorrow night, and we're hoping to see a lot of fun things there. Slot canyons, hikes, the little goblins, and hopefully no snow, but we'll see.
Yeah, this is our very first time going. We're really excited, and we have our favorite guests with us. They're the same that are in all of our videos, so We're happy to have you guys here watching our videos. Stay tuned and see what we find in Goblin Valley.
Okay, so it is 7:30 and it took us 2 hours to go about an hour's distance, so we had a pretty nasty snowstorm. But we're here now at this grocery store in Price, and we're gonna stretch our legs, change the diaper real quick, and then be back on the road. And hopefully within the next hour and a half, we will be on our way to our Airbnb so we can rest up for tomorrow. At least my
Is it slush or ice?
No, it's ice. Well, that's snow and ice.
Didn't expect that storm. Quick pit stop and we're back on our way. 2 hours to go.
We are really excited for today's adventures.
Yeah. So to finish up where we left off, we drove home after we drove to the Airbnb after leaving the marketplace. We did hit a little bit more weather. And then we got here and relaxed. So we're staying at an Airbnb in Hinksville, which is about, I think, 20 minutes to Goblin Valley.
40 minutes to Goblin Valley.
Did you look?
No. I remember the drive. Do you not remember how long it was?
I swore on Google Maps it said 20 when I researched. She got into her cooler. Maybe having a salad. Okay, so it's a little longer than I thought. Here's like a pamphlet that Hinksville has that's here at our Airbnb. There's some really cool some facts on it.
So it was first called Mushroom Valley back in 1949, and then officially became a state park around 1964.
We live in Utah, northern Utah, and there's so much of Utah we have yet to explore. It's kind of a bummer when you think about it. Yeah. But this place is really cool because it's been deemed as one of the best places to watch the night sky. The National Park Service's night sky team visited Goblin Valley back in 2015 and determined that the park offers one of the darkest night skies on Earth. So maybe we want to come and see tomorrow we want to see the sunrise, so maybe we'll get to experience a little bit of that. And hopefully it's a clearer sky.
Yep. Depending on how bold we want to be, because it was like 10 degrees this morning, so not sure how long we're going to do that. But yeah. Of course, Goblin Valley has the little minion/alien type structures that most people are aware of, but there also are slot canyons, caves. You can go rappelling down, and so we're really going to just go out and have a good old time. Be little puppies.
Teaser. Let's go check it out.
You are my favorite place to go. You're at the end of my favorite road. Above the rest, you're the best I know. You are my favorite shade of rose.
What are you doing?
Hey, where are we at, sis?
Are we at the Valley of the Goblins, baby?
Yeah, we're gonna go explore. Yeah. Yay!
I love the ground where your roots have grown. You're my favorite place. shed a light that guides me home to my favorite place.
Katie, what's your first impression? They're bigger than I thought. Standing next to them, when you look up above, you just think they look like little rocks.
Instead, they're huge.
Yes.
They're like 3 of you.
Right now, we only have seen like 5 other cars, maybe, in the parking lot. So, if you don't like people, I would say January. And it's getting now hot enough I want to take my coat off. So, it's pretty good weather, not too hot.
You are my favorite place to go.
How are you awake? Huh? And so happy. What are we gonna do? Huh? Dacia's not in here. What are we gonna do? Are you gonna go watch the sunrise at Goblin Valley? You're so happy at 5:45 a.m. That's when you woke up, huh? Yep. See, this is day 2 at Goblin Valley. We're very impressed that this girl is so happy at such an early time in the morning.
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road. Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in. Oh, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road. Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen. Rest tomorrow, the ways unfolding. Oh, we're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road.
Okay, what are we doing now?
So we are at Factory Butte and Swing Arm City this morning to get some drone footage and walk around.
Yeah, we went to Goblin Valley. Oh, I think I need to zoom out. We went to Goblin Valley this morning. We woke up for the sunrise, which was incredible. The lighting was awesome. It was really cool though. So yeah, now we're gonna enjoy some more sights before we make our way home.
You'll see in this video all the natural jumps that they have out here, all the open riding that they can do, so they can pretty much go everywhere. There are designated areas that they cannot go, but for the most part, it's a pretty open area for them to get out and enjoy.
joining us, guys. We are making our way up back home now, and it has been a blast. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave us any suggestions of hikes that you've done around this area, and what are some of your funnest things that you've done here.
Yeah, we want to know where you've been in Utah and what you have on your bucket list to see. Sorry we're squinting, it's bright, but we'll catch you on the next video.
See ya.